My name is Sabina Ellis, and I am the NJEA Technology Committee Chair. And welcome to our Tech Talks. In today's video, we will feature WeVideo that will be presented by Lori Lalama, who is a computer teacher in Clifton, New Jersey, and is also the president of our local Clifton Education Association. Thank you and enjoy.
Welcome to Tech Talks. My name is Lori Lalama, and I am a tech teacher in Clifton and a member of the NJEA Technology Committee. I am going to show you a great application called WeVideo. WeVideo is an online, cloud-based video editing platform that works in a web browser and on mobile devices. It can capture, edit, and share incredible videos anywhere, anytime, for schoolwork, for your personal life, and for kids to do fantastic projects. This is the dashboard for WeVideo. This is the beginning where you pick out whether you want to do the full feature editor, all right, which has a lot more editing options, but to start off with, we're just going to do the simplified editor. And I'm going to click it on. Now, this is the dashboard for it. You have the main categories here, my media, which is everything that I've uploaded here, and I'll show you how to do that. We have videos, images, audio, text, and backgrounds. The first thing we're going to do is you're going to import your images. I imported some of them previously, and I'm going to show you how to import the rest. So from the computers, we're going to browse to select. You can also do it from these social sites, but in school, we can't do it. So it's easier from here. So I'm going to browse to select, and I already did all these. So I'm going to go to my GIFs. If I hold down the control key, I can highlight them and also add a few more and open. Now they're here and they're appearing on my dashboard. So that's how you import your pictures. You just go to import and you download them into this program. Okay, so I'm going to begin to start putting my images here in the drop and drag. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to put the welcome here. All right, it comes up here with editing properties. You can edit it, you can trim it, you can add effects, or you can delete it. So under edit, when you click it on, you can give it information here. So you can type in what it is. So I'm going to put down theme park. Now I could change the font on it. I can bold it out, can make it stand out. I can make it bigger. All right. And then once I'm done with the changes, I can just click save and that's done. Now the next part on here, I could do special effects on it. I could sharpen it. I can add any of these features that I might like. All right, depending on the project. You can do it on this clip or all clips, and I always do it only to the one clip. All right, so this one is finished. Now I'm going to drag and drop the rest of my slides into here, and then I will do the editing afterwards. So I'm adding this, and it's all very easy. Drag and drop in. Okay, so I dragged and dropped all my images in. So they're all in. You can see them. I also have a couple of GIFs thrown in. The restaurants, the gift shop. And there we go. So the end for the text, I'm going to do an end caption that I'll put at the end. There we go. All right. So that's done. Now I will edit the last slide and I'll put down who the people are that either directed it, produced it, any actors. So this is a great end. But as a teacher, I would never put my students' full name, just their first name. Produced by any actors, actresses. You can always delete them. And produced by both. All right. Now, I could keep the same font. I can change the size of it by moving the sidebar, the line height, the spacing. To me, it's no problem. Save changes, and now it's done. Now to do the editing in this, for the drag and drop, there is also a transition that you can put between the pictures. So you can click there and a transition will appear. And then you can click and you can add a transition. Now you can change what kind of transition you have. You have crossfades, you have dissolves, you have up and down, there's 3D horizontal, and personally I like the 3D horizontal, and I'm going to select all, and that's done. So let's check it out so far. Okay, so once you put your transitions between all of your images, all right, it's going to flow really nicely. Now, the next part, once you do your transitions, and they're all 3D cube horizontal, and they're 1 second. So those transitions add a little bit more time to your video. So in order to edit it down, if you click on, so to scale it down a bit, okay. So in order to make the duration a little bit shorter on the videos, you're going to make sure that probably 2 to 3 seconds the most. I would not do anything longer because seeing that same picture for such a long time could get rather boring. So 3 seconds is fine for each one of them. I'm going to go through and check. All right, that's very short because that's a GIF. 3 seconds is fine. 7 seconds, 3. All right, so they've all been knocked to 3 seconds. All right, so let's go back to the beginning and let's see what it looks like. All right. Then it moves through. Now you can adjust how long you want those slides for. If you think they should be longer, then do the duration 4 seconds and check. You always have to go back and forth, look at each slide, check it in the editing to make sure it's what you're looking for and what you want the students to know. All right, it's going through the little gift shop for the theme park. We have the food trucks, and then we have the restaurants that they could pick from. And then we have the last restaurant in space, and then directed and produced by me. So far the video is, the last thing to do is to click for your audio. What kind of audio do you want? So you can actually listen to it first and see if you like it. And then if you do, once you listen to a few of them, all you have to do is click replace audio, and it's into your video. So let's check it out from the beginning and see what we think. All right. So this is how you make a video in WeVideo. Now, in order to finish it, once you're done, you're happy with what you've completed here, you're going to go to finish. You're going to set a title for your export. So I'm just going to put down theme park and then set. Now, you can pick out any one of the thumbnails that you might want to be shown. And then I always just save it right to my computer. So I'm going to export it. Now it's going to take a few minutes for it to export. So once it does, I will show you how to share it and save it with your students. So now the video has been rendered and it is all set to view. And where you can find it is, if we go back to our original dashboard screen, if you click on exports, it's right there. And then you can, that is the link that you would share with your students, with your family, whoever you're making a video for, and then they'll be able to see it. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for tuning into our feature presentation. And remember, please share this video with your colleagues. See you next time.